The mountains are the result of an upheaval.
The formation of these mountains was an extremely violent event.
But the same is true in human affairs as well.
Oh, totally different scales, obviously. We are a million times faster, obviously, than geology.
Anything that you think is permanent in terms of fixtures in the outside world and in geology is intransient as well. It's just that we can't see it.
And you think about, the millions of years of pressure and continental movement that created that, and just how gradual change can still be really dramatic.
A few thousand years down the road, or a million years down the road, what will our layer look like?
As you see the sort of gradations and the layers and the rocks that are kind of turned at dramatic angles.
You can see when there were mass extinctions, when there were climate changes, and so on. And I guess you can probably see later in those layers, technological changes.
We as human beings have this amazing tool, this amazing creation called the internet. And what are we going to do with it? Can we do anything that's going to matter, 100 years from now, 1,000 years from now?
Just looking at the speed in which the Earth is collapsing under human inhabitants, only 6 billion of us, and how we're changing the Earth itself.
Last 150 years have seen more change than we had seen in the previous 4,000.
Humanity, if we look hundreds of thousands of years from now, this will just be a little blip in the technology evolution radar.
It makes you think let's try to do something that'll really matter and that'll really outlive us.